Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Before I start, I'd like you to please like the video and subscribe to our channel because it really helps us out. Today I'll be showing you how to unlock your Boost Mobile and Virgin Mobile iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. The phone was just released today and I'll be showing you how to unlock it through this easy step-by-step process. Now I'm going to show you this on the iPhone 11 Pro, but it will also work on all other iPhone models, including any new upcoming iPhone models as well. Our iPhone Unlock will unlock any iPhone regardless of any outstanding balances, financing, contracts, leases, etc. So once the phone has been unlocked, you will be able to use it with any GSM carrier of your choice, both in the US and internationally. The unlock will not affect your warranty and it will also increase the resale value of your phone. To unlock the phone, you will need your computer. It can be a Mac or PC, the latest version of iTunes, a non-allowed SIM card, which is basically a SIM that is not from your original carrier, and a USB cable. If you do not have a non-allowed SIM card, later on in the video I'll show you how to unlock the phone using no SIM card at all. Now that we have all that ready, let's begin. The first thing we will need is the 15-digit IMEI number, which you can get by going to the dialer of the phone and dialing *#06#. This will give you the 15-digit IMEI. So now that we have the IMEI number of the iPhone, we will go on the computer and open the internet browser to go to TechMajesty.com. Once we are on this website, we will place an order to unlock our iPhone. We will choose the iPhone 11 Pro since that's the phone we're unlocking today. Then, in the carrier option, you will choose the carrier your iPhone is locked to, such as AT&T, Sprint, Boost Mobile, Virgin Mobile, Verizon, Xfinity Mobile, etc. We will choose Sprint, for example. Then, you will enter the 15-digit IMEI number that you got in the beginning of the video. After that, you will click on the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive an email within the stated time frame informing you that your iPhone has been unlocked. The email will look like this and say Order Enclosed. The email will let you know that your iPhone has been successfully unlocked, and it will include instructions on how to complete the unlock. We will be using the first method and unlocking the phone using iTunes and a non-allowed SIM card. Now, if you don't have a non-allowed SIM or any SIM card for that matter, then you can simply restore the iPhone as a new phone through iTunes to complete the unlock as well. Make sure you do not restore it just from the backup, because in order for the unlock process to be completed, the phone must be restored as a new iPhone. You can then later restore from backup or from the iCloud to get your data back. So go ahead and grab your iPhone and insert the non-allowed SIM card into the phone. My phone is locked to Boost Mobile, but I would like to use AT&T on it. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my AT&T SIM card into the phone. Once the SIM card has been inserted, grab the USB cable, insert one end to the computer and the other end into the iPhone. Now that we have the iPhone connected to the computer, open up iTunes and wait for iTunes to detect the iPhone. Once iTunes detects the iPhone, you'll get the following message saying, "Congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked." So that's it. The phone is now permanently factory unlocked and you can restore, upgrade, or do anything else to the phone and the phone will remain unlocked. As you can see, AT&T is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen, so that means the unlock worked perfectly. So guys, it's as simple as that to unlock your iPhone and to start using it with any GSM carrier of your choice in the US or internationally. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.